guys, so welcome back to my channel. God bless you for coming back again. Yes, happy Christmas and New Year in advance. You guys are welcome. Thank you so much. My old and new subscribers, you are boom boom. So today I'm back with another video. Tuna burger. I don't know whether you have had it before. So this is how I make it, and you can see the ingredients. I am taking it one after the other. These eggs, that vegetable is spinach. This is cornstarch. This is salt. This is white pepper. This is breadcrumbs. And this is cooked potatoes. So you start by smashing the potatoes. You can see I've boiled it, I've cooked it. So it's ready for the smash. Let's smash it, guys. Let's smash it. Smash it very, very, very well. Okay. So after that, you add the eggs. Add the cornstarch. I added 2 teaspoons. Then this is the spinach. This is very nutritious, guys. Try it, try it. Let us try another recipe this Christmas. Yes, this is parsley. Try new things, guys. Try new things. This is a tuna. I removed the oil. So you add the tuna. This is the quantity I use. You can use more than this, okay? You can use 5, you can use 6. But this is what I feel that is okay for the quantity I'm doing. This is salt. White pepper. If you don't have white pepper, you can add black pepper. You know, there's kind of aroma they have whenever you use it in cooking. So join all of them together. Join them together. Let them marry themselves. Okay? Try to mix well, mix well. Okay? You can see that this recipe is very nutritious. The vegetable added to it give it another thing altogether. Okay, nutritious. So this is how I make it. You mold with your hand. Mold well. So I have the egg, 1 plate with the egg, and this is the breadcrumbs. Yeah, just watch what I'm doing. Yeah, in this recipe I'm going to do 1 part in the oven and the 1 part I will fry it. Okay, the other part I will fry it. So you choose whatever you want to. If you want to do oven, then you use the oven. If you want to do the frying, so I just want to show you that you can do either in the oven. You can make it either in the oven or frying. Both of them are very yummy, sweet. This is the oven part. Remember, you preheated your oven and put at the 180 degrees, okay? And bake for 30 minutes. This is the frying part. It is frying. Yes. Try to make new things. You know, this part of food is secondo. They call it secondo here. After you have eaten the main meal, you can use this one as your second part of food, okay? Or maybe in the night, if you want to use it in the night, this is a full meal for night. You can eat it with any liquid thing, okay? Okay, it's frying. Wow, I got it. Oh. You see, it is frying. Guys, I feel excited because as I'm cooking it, I'm waiting for it to be done so I can eat. I can bite out some, okay? It's ready. The frying part is ready. Okay, this is the final stage of it. It is done. You can see this one at the right hand is the oven part, and this one at the left side is the frying one. You can see the difference, okay? So both of them are lovely, are sweet. Very sweet. You can see. Wow. Look at it. Very nice and sweet. Try it, guys. Try it. Try this recipe. You will not regret it, okay? Look at the frying one. Okay, both of them are very sweet. If you are watching up to this period, you've not subscribed, subscribe. Oh. Hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload, you will get informed. Yeah, thanks for watching. Like this video, comment and subscribe. Bye. Till I see you next time, okay? See you guys. See you. Enjoy your Christmas and the New Year.